Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joshua Matthew. If you are older, thanks, and if you are new here, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Then go to your file, select new. Then we are going to use 1080 by 1080 pieces for social media. So after you select everything, then you click on create. So this is where we are going to do our work now. So the first thing now, then we need to get our else code. That is the code we are going to use for the background. So now, then this is the code we need to copy it. You can right click or use Ctrl C then to copy it. Then go to your solid color. Then you right click and paste it. So this is our color now. So the next one we are going to do now, then we need to go to our background. So this is the resource file I'm going to use for this background. So the first I'm going to import this one, then scale it out this way. And now we need to change the blending mode. So linear bond is okay. Then the opacity, we are going to reduce it to around 42%. It's okay. All right. Then go back to your resource file and we are going to use this background here. Also scale it a little. It's okay. Then after that we need to go to filter, then select your blur, Gaussian blur, and we are going to make it 4.7%. It's okay, so not too much. And the blending mode, we need to change it to something hard light. All right. So after that, then we need to go back to our resource file, and now we are going to bring this one. So let's bring this one and position it at the bottom here. So having done this one, then we need to go back to our resource file, and now we are going to bring this background. So this background is supposed to be come before this one. So now we are going to bring this background and reduce the size, then position it around here. Then it's okay. So the next thing, we need to change the blending mode to, I think screen is okay, or hard light. All right, so hard light is okay. Then after that, then we need to apply our layer mask. Then you can use either brush or gradient tools over here. And now we are going to blend this particular location. So something like this. Boom. And this is what we are going to have here. Then you can also blend here a little. So it's okay. All right, so we are going to have something like this. After that, so we are going to bring in our church logo. So import it, and now we have to reduce it, then position it around here. Then go to your text document and make a copy of this one. Ctrl C to copy, and go to your text tool, then Ctrl V to paste. And we are going to change the font to Century Gothic. So this is the font you are going to use. Then you can make it bold or use regular. So anyone, but this regular is okay. Then reduce the font size and position it here. So to make the font bold, so we need to make it bold instead of regular. So like this is okay. Now we are going to hold our shift key, then to group this one, then go to your select on the menu, select all, then apply center alignment to centralize it. Then go back to select, then to deselect, or you use Ctrl D. So anyone you want to use, okay. So now having done this one, so the next one we are going to do, then we are going to duplicate this one, Ctrl J to duplicate. Now we need to take it out of this group so that it will be separate. Then go to your text tool and we are going to make a copy of this one. Then double click to highlight it, Ctrl V to paste, something like this. All right, then go to select on the menu, select all vertical alignment, then Ctrl D to deselect. So having done this one, so the next one, then go to this one. So we are going to make a copy of this one over here. So before we do that, then we need to create our rectangle first. So draw a rectangle over here like this. So we need to centralize it, Control A to select all, then Control D. So after that, we are going to our FX here, then to apply a gradient overlay. Then and the color code, we are going to copy this color here. So this is the color code, Control C to copy, then select your gradient tool, then Control V to paste. Now we need to delete this one, then copy this one, Control C to copy, and Control V to paste. All right. Then go to your property over here, and we need to give the edges a shape. All right, something like this. Okay. So now you can go to your text documents and make a copy of this one. Control C to copy. Then select your text tool. Control V to paste. And the font we use here, that we need to use this font, intro. Then we need to copy the font here and go to your font and paste it, intro. So this is the font we use. Then come over here and place it while we are going to reduce the font size. All right, then hold your shift key while you select the rectangle, then click on the center alignment to centralize it. All right, so having done that, then we are going to copy the theme. So before we copy the theme, then let us work on this one first. So we are going to copy this one, Control C to copy, then select your text tool and Control V to paste. And the font we use on this one is Morganite. Then we're going to copy it, Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Then we need to make it bold or blackboard. So now we need to increase the font size this way. Make sure you centralize it. Okay, now then let's go and copy this effect. So this is the color we are going to use. So Control C to copy, go to your FX here and select gradient overlay. Now click on this one, select your color, then Control V to paste. Then go back to your text documents and copy this one. Then go to this one and Control V to paste. All right, then you can drag this one over here a little. It's okay. All right, then make sure that your angle is 0%. All right, then so the next one we are going to do now, then we are going to apply bevel and a bush. So select this one and make use of smooth. Okay, and the depth, we are going to increase the depth to 240. All right, it's okay. And the size here, we are going to reduce the size to around 13, and the angle leave it at 90 percent. Okay, then and this contour over here, then we are going to remove the contour. We don't need contour on this. Okay, so the next we are going to do now, then we are going to the inner shadow. Then on this inner shadow, then make use of multiply. Your blending mode should be multiply and the opacity 100%. So drag it over here. Now your angle should be 90%. Then the distance. So on this distance, make your use of this 3. Then this one 0 and this one 3. Okay. So after that, so the next one we are going to the shadow. Say on our shadow here, so it's black and the opacity is 100%, the angle is 90%. Then the size, now we are going to reduce the distance to 7%, then and the spread to 0, while the size to 5. So that is it. Then now click OK to apply it. Okay, so having done that, now apply our theme. So on this one now, then we are going to change the color to red, but not that red. So we need to open it, then something like this is okay. Then go to your text document and copy the theme. Then we are going to make use of this text. So duplicate it, drag it over here to duplicate it, then take it up and drag it down. So double click to highlight it, then Ctrl V to paste. So having pasted it, then we need to increase the character spacing. So I need to turn off this all cap. Then character spacing, then we need to increase it. Right, I think so. You don't do. Then I'm going to rotate it vertical and reduce the size. Then I'll place it here. Right, so that is it. To the next one, then I'm going to copy this one, limits. Then Ctrl C to copy. Then select your text tool. Then I'm going to paste it around here. Then bring it down. Remove this all cap so that it will be a small letter. And we are going to change the font to Amazing Kids. So Amazing Kids. So this is the font we are going to use. Now increase the font size, then position it around there, make sure it is centralized. Now we are going to change the font. So we are going to change the font, take it up over here. So we are going to change the font color, I mean. So and the font color is going to be red. So go to your text tool and we are going to change it to red. Then go to your FX and we are going to apply a stroke. Then make use of this setting here. The stroke is going to be for outside and normal. Then the color is going to be white like this. Then the opacity is 100%. Then also go to shadow, and the shadow we are using normal, then opacity is 100%. Then the distance we are going to, the distance going to be 11. The spread, we are going to make it 4%, and the size, we are going to make it 13%. Okay, so click OK to apply it. So the next one now, then go back to your resource file, and now we are going to bring this one, then reduce the size, bring it over here, then go to your text. Now we are going to make a copy of this, then select your text tool, the font color, then black, and the font we are going to use here then is going to be Gothic Century. Then Ctrl V to paste, then go to Century Gothic. So that is the font we are going to use. Then make it bold. Now reduce it. All right. So having done that, then the next one, we are going to make a copy of this one. Ctrl C to copy. Then select your text tool, Ctrl V to paste, and we are going to change the font here to intro, right, and reduce the font size. Go back to your text, and we are going to make a copy of this one. Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl J to duplicate, highlight it, Ctrl V to paste. Now we are going to increase the size of this one, then change the font color to red, then duplicate this one, Ctrl J to duplicate, highlight it, then go to your text here to make a copy of this one, then Ctrl V to paste, and now reduce the size. So having done that, so the next one, then the time. So make a copy of this one, then also remember to bring this one, reduce the size. So we are going to position it around here, bring it down, hold your shift key, select it, and drag it over here. All right. Then go to your resource file, import this one, reduce the size. Okay, we have copied it already. So the next, we are going to duplicate this one, Ctrl J to duplicate, then take it up while you bring it over here, then double click, Ctrl V to paste. Now increase the font size, select your text tool, highlight this one, and reduce the font size. Okay, something like this. So if you wish, then you can leave it like that without reducing it, so all is okay. So now then we are done with this one. So what you are going to do now, we are going to select this one, then the icon is this, so group it together, then the date, group it together, then the location, group it together. So these three now I'm going to group them together. Go to select, select all, then apply vertical alignment to centralize it. So then Ctrl D to deselect. Right. So we need to increase the size of this one a little. So guys, as you can see, we have come to the end of this tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.